Hey, welcome back everybody. So I thought I'd just take a few minutes. I'm going to do just a quick update on the countertops I'm doing. So this one won't be real long, but I'll try to just do a little bit of footage along the way so you can see it. So first off, I'll kind of point out where it is. I'll show you part of it and how I'm putting it all together. Then we'll get into the sink and how the sink's dropping down some template. My sink did not come with a template, so I had to improvise. So I'll show that to you in a few minutes. So here goes. Okay, so the countertop is going to go right here. So behind the shower, that's the back of the Tetra Van shower, over all the plumbing. It's going to actually sit in here and actually slide all the way back into this space a little bit. So it'll come all the way onto here. So when I put the siding on, it'll come right up against the edge, and then I'll do interior, the wall will actually cover it a little bit. If I pull back, you'll see it's right there. Now you notice I got a piece cut here. So that's actually the butcher block countertop I'm using. That piece is actually going to get a piece cut out of it, a hole cut out. That's going to get the induction cooktop. It is actually going to go stored vertically right here. I've got some hinges, so I'm going to mount that wall, so that'll flip up. So you'll end up having this as the extra countertop sitting like this with the induction cooktop built into it, and it hanging out over this overhang here. Since this will just be a seating area, I can take it up while I'm cooking and just use a little bit of space, and it'll fold right back down into that space. So from there, let me take you over to the main countertop. So here's the main piece of countertop. So it's 25 inches wide, and I actually took 14 inches off for the other piece, off of the 48 inches. So I'm at 34 inches deep, or what's going to be wide. This will actually be the depth. This will be 25 inches. It'll be 34 inches wide, but only about 23 of that will actually be shown. The rest is going to be kind of hidden in the back. I may actually even trim it off. I just want to kind of put it in there and see what it looks like first. So what's going in there is this sink here. So I picked up this 15-inch by 15-inch sink. It's got the little wood insert. It's really deep. So it's, I mean, you see how far my arm fits down in there. It's a 3-inch opening, so you can do whatever, but actually that's what's going to go straight down to my gray tank. I have to add, obviously, my faucet onto here. Now, the challenge with this is a top mount sink, and it's got these little tabs here. That's what actually the little hooks go to, and then it presses up onto the wood. The problem is it didn't come with a template, and those tabs are just inset. So I need to be able to have the little hooks hook onto here and then still push against the countertop, and enough space for that. So I need to make a template. So actually the piece it came with actually had a decent piece of styrofoam that was going to be trashed anyway. So I went ahead and used it to get right around to here so I can get the template, and then I'll get it in the sink. So let me get that lined up and cut, and we'll be back. So here it is with the countertop on. I did end up cutting off the extra, so in all reality my oven's gonna go right here anyway, so you're not gonna, this space will be wasted anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's just extra weight. So let me set the sink in and show you that. So here it is, sink in place. Need to bolt it down. Got a little bit of room there for my lines. And then I got to run lines to right here for my, off of here, off the PEX, but that's my water line. And then my drain will actually end up going straight down, right into that gap right there. So, works out perfect.